What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a long time coming. I remember I told you guys in the last video that the carbon was pretty faded on this car, and my boy Christian at Dolban's Paint and Body, he's finally going to get this car right, and we're gonna be clear coating the hood again. You know, it didn't really last a couple years, but as you guys can tell, that's pretty bad. This is just oxidation and clear coat, so whenever the hood gets water on it, it looks like brand new. But yeah, he's gonna hook it up for the boy. We're gonna get this car going, and we got the old man with us and the F-150, and we're gonna go drop it off and let Christian work his magic. So let's get it.
But when he painted this, dude, he told me right off the bat, he said, there's two different type of clears. You can get a cheap clear that'll last you a little bit, and you get some high dollar shit that'll last you. That's what he put on the hat. He painted the whole line, he put a badass clear on it. For rack chips and shit, he put like fucking 5 quarts of clear on it. And it's good. And it will never fade.
Have you done carbon this bad?
This bad?
Yeah, look at the clear coat's coming off right here.
I know, that's what I was looking at. I was like, God damn. I had one spoiler that was pretty fucking bad, and
he sanded it all the way down where I was like, oh fuck, I hope we don't fuck it up. Like it was like dull, like it looked like it was down to the weed. And he shot the clear on it, bro, and it looked like glass for a long time. But this car used to be kept outside, so I'm not sure if that contributed to it burning out so fast.
A little bit, but like I said, clear on fucking the carbon is a pain in the ass. Like my beard, oh, I don't have my fucking so dead. I got those like a couple months back in there. It's already fucking up. So
and look at the spoiler too. You can see where it's still shiny right here. He didn't do this one, so this is. They said that they do epoxy coat on the carbon. So he said that you have to sand it all the way down, sand the epoxy down, because you can see the edges. They're still badass. But it's like where the sun hits it, it fades out, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But it's better if you knock everything down. Do you think it's better to get it off? I think it is. They could get everything inside, right?
Later.
Alright guys, what's going on? It's a couple of days later, and the car is finally finished. He sent me some preview photos. I'm really excited. Kind of nervous because he said, hey man, the car's ready, but I need to speak to you about a few things. So I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I need to go get the money and pay the man. But he redid the spoiler and he redid the hood, and it looks damn good, guys. So I'm gonna go pick up the money and let's go get it. Let's go see what the car looks like. What's going on, guys? We're back, and as you guys can tell with the car behind us, this thing came out freaking phenomenal. I'm super happy. I want to send a huge shout out to my man Christian Dolban at Dolban's Paint and Body Shop. Man, he got this car looking right. And one of the big reasons, guys, that you guys are probably wondering, man, why haven't you done any racing? Why haven't you done this? I'm trying to get the car looking as close to car show presentable as possible, just because we have something coming up. And a guy we used to ride with, a guy we used to, you know, do car shows with, he just passed away. And when I was, you know, when I first got in the car scene, when I first got the car, I talked to him a lot. You know, we were in the same car group and stuff, and you know, we kind of faded away. I didn't talk to him as much, just because, you know, we weren't in the car culture thing together. Pretty sure he stayed with the car group, but yeah, man, he just passed away. And my homies that, you know, started the car group hit me up and asked if I wanted to come through, you know, bought some shirts, you know, stuff like that. So it's coming up in the end of May, and I wanted this car looking good just for all the peeps that show out and, you know, they want to see the car. Yeah, so it's gonna be during May. It's all team bash. If you guys know what that is, it's in Corpus Christi, Texas. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be right there by Whataburger Field, so if you guys are nearby, you know, I'll post up the stuff right here. If you guys want to pull up, see the car, if you guys are nearby, you know, San Antonio, the Valley, whatever, the car will be there and I will be there. So just to show out for Lou, man, rest in peace, Lou. So yeah, man, I wanted the car looking good. For any of you guys that want to come out and see the car. And next is definitely, we're gonna do some suspension and we're gonna get this car rolling, man. We need to get this car, you know, looking 100%, riding 100%. So without further ado, guys, let's roll that B-roll and let's see how this hood looks. Oh yeah, before I forget, I want to send a huge shout out to my boy Horseplay Motoring. I finally put those things on, man. He sent them to me like almost a freaking year ago, so thanks, Patrick. I'm sorry about it, sorry that it took me so long, but if you guys want to check him out, he's definitely one of the better car YouTubers out there. He's still small, and if you guys, you know, he does a lot of write-ups on these cars, like the old school forums, shows you step by step how to do it. I really love his channel. I know you guys will like it too. It's like real bare bones, and you know, just shows you all about the SN95 community and what to do on these cars and stuff like that. So yeah, man, he redid the spoiler, redid the hood, and it looks damn good, man. I cannot complain. The last one didn't really hold up. He didn't do it, somebody else did it. It didn't even hold up 2 years, and I think one thing that has to do with it is this Texas summer and this Texas heat, man. This car used to sit outside, but as you guys know, this car finally has a garage, so I think it should last, you know, quite a bit longer, just because it's going to be in the garage most of its life. I pull it out sometimes on the weekends just when I want to, you know, drive a manual car and feel the manual car life. But yeah, man, she looks damn good. We're going to go ahead and end up the video here. Thank you guys for all the continued support, man. Thank you guys for viewing every single video I put out. Thanks for all the OGs out there that have never left my side. I've watched every single video, still drops comments down below, still likes the video, you know what I mean? And most of all, notification gang. As soon as I drop a video, you guys are there. I did this before, and I want to do it again. Next video, you guys see, if you are the first one to comment down below, I will send you guys $50 Cash App, guaranteed. Buy you guys some dinner, buy you guys something. So whoever's the first to comment on the next video, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. If you're the first one to go on there, dinner on me, man, dinner on your boy 4.6. So without further ado, man, it's your boy 4.6Chris. See you guys later, man. Peace out. Hope you guys like that one, man. See y'all on the next one. Peace out.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that to do